Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this bioluminescent octopus in Fish It Roblox. So this is one of the most stunning rare catches in the game, and it is a pretty new items in the new area in Fish It. So if you want to know the exact location, the best bait, and also the specific road you need to catch this legendary catch, just follow my guides in here. So for the bioluminescent octopus, I got two versions. The first one is just the usual without the mutation, and the second one is this one, the midnight mutation of bioluminescent octopus. So it's a little bit different like this. So as for the location, you can just head into the crystal depths, and as for me, I got it from this two locations. So you can just follow my guide in here. The first location, I got it at the top of this crystal right here, and for the second location, I got it on the docks right here. So you can just pick your favorite spot in the crystal depths, and I'm using the element road with the Singularity bait to get the bioluminescent octopus. So try your luck and don't let this one slip away. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.